Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw from watch only wallet address on the Trust app or Trust wallet. So I'll show you the complete explanation. As you can see, this is the trustwallet.com, the official website, and they have added the few guide regarding the Trust wallet and watch only wallet. And they have also answered the few questions regarding that matter, like what is watch only wallet address. This is like allow you to keep an eye on your cryptocurrency balances or the balances of any public address without having the ability to access or spend the crypto. So as you can see, what is the like watch only wallet address, and how to add a watch only address wallet to Trust wallet, like there is a complete guide. And if we talk about our questions, like how to avoid watch only scams, there are like many questions. And how here's the first question: how do I withdraw from a watch only address on Trust wallet? So they have answered it. As you can see, you cannot withdraw funds from a watch only address. The only way to access the funds of any wallet is if you control the private keys or select phrases of that wallet. Beware of any scams that say that you can access funds from a watch only wallet. So as you can see, they have answered the complete question, like you are not able to withdraw funds from watch only wallet, as this is kind of a watch only wallet and you will not be able to trade or withdraw from that wallet. But you can check. As you can see, they have also explained the purpose of watch only wallet. You can keep an eye on balances and other cryptocurrencies as well. So that is all about how you can withdraw from watch only wallet on Trust wallet.